Hello everyone, welcome to this video on the calendars topic. This video is brought to you by Learning Made Easy team, a team of IIM grads in association with the e-learning partner GTCUBE Get to the Top. If you are watching this video in the YouTube channel, make sure that you check out our full-length courses available for free at gtcube.com/store, where you'll get to watch these videos as part of the course and also get to practice a lot of questions based on these concepts that would really help you to understand these concepts better and also get a lot of practice on these concepts. So let's get started. So first and foremost, the basic type that you get to see in calendars is after some days, right? So the question would be basically giving you so and so, let's say 1st of January is Monday, so what will be 8th of January or 12th of January, after some days basically. So let's say if a particular day is Sunday, what day will it be after 4 days, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, right? That's what you would say after 4 days. After one day it's Monday, second day, third day and fourth day is Thursday. That's the answer that you would say, right? So what if I ask you, if today is Sunday, what day is it after 10 days, right? So after one day I'll get Monday, then it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then I again get Sunday. That is like after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, I'll get Sunday. After 8 days I'll get Monday, after 9 days I'll get Tuesday, and after 10 days I'll get Wednesday. This is still doable to an extent. If I say today is Sunday, what day is it after 30 days? This is going to be painful, right? Keep doing like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is so and so, and then Thursday is after 11 days, Friday is after 12 days. Keep doing till 30th day and find the answer. It's going to be really a long and tedious approach. So for that, there's a simple logic that you can definitely use. That is the cyclic pattern that you see here. That is, after 7 days I get Sunday again. After 14 days I'll get Sunday again. You know, because there are 7 days in a week, so the cycle repeats after every 7 days, right? So after 7 days I would be done with all of the Sunday to Saturday. I'll get again Sunday. After 14 days I'll again get Sunday. After 21 days I'll again get Sunday. After 28 days I'll again get Sunday. So 29th day will be Monday and 30th day will be Tuesday. So the answer is Tuesday for this, right? So for that reason we actually use this logic. So if there is a particular day, let's say Sunday, even if I ask you after, let's say 142 days, what is it? So basically what you need to do is this, just see how many days it is, divided by 7, find out the remainder, right? So 720 is 140, so the remainder is 2. So this is basically called the extra days or odd days. So there are two, if there are 142 days, so that's basically 2 extra or odd days. So that basically means I just need to add +2 to it. That is Sunday. What day would I get after 142 days is same as basically saying if today is Sunday, what day is it after 2 days? That is Tuesday. That is the answer even for this. So you can translate the bigger numbers into simpler numbers like this. Just have to do is divide by 7, because I see a cyclicity of 7, right? That's what I'm trying to say. So this is one type you get to see. Just understand after any number of days, that's the question is talking about. All you need to do is just divide by 7, get the remainder, and just simply use that extra remainder. We call them as extra or odd days. That's one type of a terminology, but we just need to use those and add that to the current day and get the required answer. It's as simple as it is, right? Let's say after n years, right? If today is Sunday or 1st Jan, let me say this, if 1st Jan 2001, let's assume it is Monday, okay? I don't know, I'm just saying could be, right? If it's Monday, after 1 year, that is 1st January 2002 will be what? What day is it? That's the question. That's what after 1 year is, right? See, how many days are there between these two? So just before that, let me actually talk about another point after n days actually. So if I say, let's say 2nd January of a year, let's say 2001 is Tuesday. Okay, again it's just an assumption. Then what day is 15th January 2001? If I ask you, what you need to do is to find out how many days is this, right? Like how many days is between this, or rather the right way of asking is this: after n days, right, I'll get 15th January from 2nd January. So after 2nd January, right, how many days should I add to get to 15th January? That would be the value I need to get, divide by 7, get the remainder to get those odd or extra days. So one thing you have to be very careful is this: if it is like the 2nd January is Tuesday, so count it like this. I need to count from the 3rd Jan till 15th January, including 15th January. I should not include 2nd January. Okay, 2nd January is not included in the counting. 3rd January to 15th January. So that is basically how many days would that be? 15 minus 3 is 12 plus 1, and so there are basically 13 days. Right? If you don't know what I'm doing, just understand how many numbers are there between two values is basically including these endpoints. You do it by like this: the maximum minus minimum plus 1. Right? That's going to give me 13 days. Or if you even count it, right, if you have a doubt, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, so up to 15, you'll get 13 days. So I just need to do 13 by 7, the remainder is 6. So if this is Tuesday, add 6 days to this, that will give me the answer, right? Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Monday would be the answer for this, right? 15th January will be Monday. That's how you do it after n days when I get to see dates, which is what I can also do here, right? Imagine this: 1st January 2001 to 1st January 2002. I should not include the 1st January, so I'll basically count from the 2nd January 2001 to this part. So basically there will be 365 days, right? Because in a year I see 365 days, and what you have to be very careful is this a leap year or not? 2001 is not a leap year. So between 2nd January 2001 to 1st January 2002, I'll have February 2001, which has only 28 days, so I'll only see 365 days. So 365 days divided by 7 gives me 1 as the remainder. 7 5s are 35 and 7 2s are 14, so 1 is the remainder. So that means in 365 days I have only 1 extra or odd day, right? So that's a useful point that you can remember. So that means every year when I am increasing, it just has to increase Monday plus 1, that is going to be Tuesday. What will be the 1st January 2003? Will be Wednesday, because it is Tuesday. So again I do plus 1, so that will be Wednesday. What will be the 1st January 2004? It is plus 1, Thursday. You see, if you have some confusion, there could be a chance that because you think that this is a leap year, so why am I not actually adding another day or maybe something like this? You know, if you have some information or some knowledge on this, you might get a confusion like this. Have a clarification like this. Basically, 2003 to 2004, what are the days that I should include? 2nd January 2003 to 1st January 2004, which is basically including February 2003, which is not a leap year month. That's why I'll still have 365 days, so that's why I'll have only 1 extra day. When it comes to this, you see, 1st Jan 2005, in these 365 days, which fib am I observing? February 2004, which is a leap year February, so that is 29 days. So I should technically see plus 1, that is 366 days. That means there will be 2 extra days. 365 as 1 as a reminder, so 366 divided by 7 is 2, right? That means I'll have 2 extra odd days, or 2 extra 2 odd days. That means it will be the 1st Jan 2005 will be not Thursday plus 1 Friday, it will be rather Saturday, right? That's the point that you need to add, okay, after n years. If I say, right, whatever the years be, if I say 1st June 2004 is Sunday, okay, let's assume that this is correct. What will be the day for 1st June 2007? Okay, if I ask you this, see, what should you think? 1st June 2004 is Sunday, 2005 though 2004 is a leap year, 2004 June to 1st June 2005 does include February of 2005, which is not a leap year February month. So I'll still have only 365 days. So Sunday will become +1. This is Monday. 1st June 2006 we'll have again +1, that is Tuesday. And 1st June 2007 to 2006 again we'll have +1, that is Wednesday. So the answer is 1st June 2007 is a Wednesday. Right? That's how you will solve these questions asking you after some years. Right? Just be careful when you do the leap year. You need to, a leap year, if February of leap year is included in that 1 year, then you would definitely have to add +2. Right? Just because I see leap year already here, don't just add +2. Okay? As I said, just try to imagine like this. Okay, what are the months that are being included between these 2 years? Okay, is that February of leap year? Yes, then I have to do +2. If it is not, then +1. Right? Be careful on that point, that application. So, fundamental question, how do we check a leap year? How do I say 2004 is a leap year? Right? How do I say 2008 is a leap year? I know these are leap years, but how? So the basic rule is divisibility by 4, right? If a year is divisible by 4, we call it a leap year. What is the divisibility rule of 4? If you don't know, I don't care about the number, just look at the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. 2004, what are the last 2 digits? 04. 04 is divisible by 4, yes. So it's a leap year. 08 is divisible by 4, that's why it's a leap year. So that's a simple rule to check, but there is one exception that you need to remember. For century years, what do I mean by century years? That is hundreds, that is I see 2 zeros at the end. Right, 1700, 2100, 2000, that is 20 hundreds, 1800s, right? All of them, if I go by this rule, are divisible by 4. 00 automatically is divisible by 4. But that is not the rule that you have to use. When you see century years, cut them out completely. See if these two numbers are divisible by 4. Is 20 divisible by 4? Yes. So hence 2000 is a leap year. 2100, I don't count this. So it's basically I need to think it like this. 21 divided by 4. Is it divisible? Nope. That's why 2100 is not a leap year. Okay. 00 basically means the last two digits are divisible by 4. So 2100 is divisible by 4. But it is not a leap year because, as I said, be careful with the century years. When you see both the zeros at the last 2 digits, that's not the rule you have to see. You have to actually cut the zeros. Don't look at those zeros. Look at the next 2 digits. See if it is divisible by 4 or not. 1700, cut this 0. 17 divisible by 4? No, that's why 1700 is not a leap year. 18 is not divisible by 4, hence 1800 is not a leap year. 1600, cut these 2 zeros. 16 divisible by 4? Yes, hence 1600 is a leap year. That's the rule that you have to use for century years, only for century years, not for other years. Other years, simply check the divisibility by 4 and that is good enough. That's how you check if a year is a leap year or not. According to that, see if the February of that year includes 28 or 29 and solve the questions. So let's get to the problems. If the third day of a month is Tuesday, so that's basically third of a particular month, whatever that is Tuesday. So what is 25th of that particular month would be? It is basically after n days. After n days question, basically simpler version. As I said, third of the month cut this off, try to find number of days from 4 to 25. So 25 plus 4 plus 1 is going to give me 22. So after 22 days, this is basically after 22 days. If third of the month is Tuesday, after 22 days would give me 25th of that month. What would be that? So 22 divided by 7, what is the remainder? 1. So that is basically 1 extra day. So 1 extra day is basically I just need to add plus 1, that is going to be Wednesday. So that is Wednesday is the answer. Right, as I said, if it is asking from third of a particular month to 25th, third is so and so, what will be 25th? Do it like this. Cut the third, do it count from the 4th of the month. See number of days from 4th to 25th, including 4th and 25th. So that is done by maximum minus minimum plus 1, that is 22. So that will give me 1 extra day. In the year 1996, the Republic Day was celebrated on Friday. So the Republic Day is basically 26th January. Was celebrated on Friday. On which day was the Independence Day celebrated in the year 2000? So Independence Day is 15th August. So it is asking for 1996. So basically 26th January 1996 is Friday. What is 15th August 2000 is, right? So this could be done, done in multiple ways. I'll show you one method. 1997 26th Jan. I'm just doing plus 1 year sort of it. So 1996 is it a leap year? Yes, it is a leap year. So 1996 to 1997, right? February of 1996 is included in this. February of a leap year is included, so that means it is plus 2 extra days because it has 366 days between these two. 27 January to 26 January 1997. So 366 divided by 7 gives me 2 extra days. So 26 January 1997 will be Friday plus 2, that is Sunday. Similarly, 26 January 1998 will be Monday because 97 and 98 are anyways not a leap year, so it will be just plus 1 as a extra day because I will have only 365 days between them. Similarly, 1999 26 Jan would also be plus 1 because both of them are not leap years anyway. February of 1998 is included and that is not a leap year. So Tuesday 26 January 2000, right? 1999 to 2000 is a leap year, but which February is included in this frame of 99 January to 2000 January? February 1999. So that is still non-leap year February, so it is simply plus 1, that will come out to be Tuesday, right? Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, sorry, this should be Wednesday. So 26th January 2000 is Wednesday. I need to find 15th August 2000 is which day, right? So we have come till this point by using the years part. Now I can just simply do this. January to August, right? So do it like months. January plus February plus March, April, May, June, July and August. So how many days should I count? Because I know till 26th January, right? Wednesday. So leave 26th, 27th to 31st of January. How many days would that be? 5 days. Right? 5 divided by 7, the remainder is 5. So there are 5 extra days. What about February? I see 2000 February is a leap year. So I'll have 29 days in February entire. So I'm doing basically the extra days on monthly basis. Okay. So I'm splitting. I'm not actually, I can do this. January has 5 extra days, 5 days from 26 to 27 to 31st. 29 in February, 31 in the March. What is April? 30. What is May? 31. What is June? 30. What is July? 31. August I should do only till 15th, including 15th. So that is 15 days. So I can add all of this. 5 plus 29, 34 plus 31 is 65, 95, 126, 156, 187, 192 and 202. So basically there are 202 days between this. So 202 divided by 7 is 7 2s are 14, 7 8s are 56. So that is 6 is the remainder. So 6 extra days from Wednesday is what I need to do. That is going to give me the answer. Okay. But instead of doing this, slightly different way or easier way is this. I'll rather keep finding the extra days for each month individually. Anyway, everything summed up to 2002 divided by 7 is same as dividing them individually as 7 and adding the reminders. And then whatever I get, I'll again see if I can divide by 7 and get the final remainder. So 5 here. What about February? 29 divided by 7 gives me remainder 1. 31 divided by 7 gives me remainder 3. This will be 2. This will be 3. This will be 2. This will be 3 and this will be 1. 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11 plus 3 14 plus 2 16 plus 3 19 plus 1 20. So that is 20 is what I am getting. As I said, I'll add and then again divide by 7. What is the remainder I am getting? 6. This is what I got here as well, right? After all the addition and dividing 202 by 7, I get the same remainder. So finally, I have 6 extra days between 26 January 2000 to 15th August 2000. So I just need to add 6 days to Wednesday, What will that turn out to be? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. So the answer is Tuesday. Right? That's how you should solve. This is definitely longer question. I mean, it is taking a bit of time for you to solve. But solving questions of this type would definitely make you understand all the concepts of calendars clear, and you should be able to solve the easier questions that would be generally be asked. So if you're watching this video in the YouTube channel, make sure that you check out our full-length courses available for free at gtcube.com/store. Also like our partners Facebook page, facebook.com/gtcube3. We're coming up with a lot of content that would really help you in preparation. So do follow and like that page and you'll get notified whenever we come up with new notifications. Thank you for watching this video and let's meet in the next video.